back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik and Srinithi. Today we are going to make some wall decorations. So we are going to make paper hearts for wall decoration. You need some paper, pencil and scissors. You would fold 2 times and you have to draw hearts. So I'm going to do that step right now. So you fold and then you fold again. Don't forget to make it straight like that. See how it looks? And I folded multiple. You could see there's 3 sheets of paper. Now I will draw the hearts. Now I'm done. I'm going to cut them out. Now, like my sister, I'm going to cut it. If you cut them, they will come like this. I'm going to cut the rest of 2. So we finished all our hearts, the blue ones, yellow and green and pink. So now we need to take one kind of paper and then put a coin at the middle of it and draw a circle. So this will, if you cut it out, it will make some circle. So here are they. Let's cut all the different colors of blue, yellow, green and pink. Circles, of course the circles. So we finished all these circles. Now we're going to stick them on with some ribbon. You need glue for this part to stick. So let's stick it. So first we are going to do yellow. So we lay down this ribbon and then we take one part and put glue. And then we take this and stick it on. So now I'm gonna scrub it like that and then stick. So there has to be this much gap. Like this we're gonna do all of them. We finished this one. Here is how it looks. We already finished all of them. So let's take a look at them. So we finished all of these. Let's take a look at this. All of these. Blue, yellow, pink and green. Okay. So we also made this one with all the colors and they're all hearts. So I'm going to put it down. See how good these are? They're so good. Let's decorate on our wall. We finished our decoration. You could do this decoration for your birthday or any other party. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next video.